Delta 2 inches 1 changing table and storage unit by Delta Children is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Add style and functionality to your nursery with this 2 inches 1 changing table and storage unit from Delta Children. Designed to complement any decor, it features an abundance of storage with a fixed shelf and bin at the bottom, plus it includes a changing pad with safety strap and buckle. For additional security, it has high sides surround the changing area, so your baby will be completely protected during diaper changes and dressings. Built to last, the 2 inches 1 changer and storage unit from Delta Children is an indispensable piece in the nursery that will impress for years to come. It's the perfect changing table and storage combination. Changing table includes one fixed shelf and an open storage bin at the bottom. Strong and sturdy wood construction. Tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed government and ASTM standards. Assembly required. JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM. Assemble dimensions, 34. 25W by 18. 75D by 35H.